Hello everyone, this is the Financial Literacy Month. So we're going to discuss two things. Number one, let's discuss financial literacy or education. Number two, I'm going to share with you 3 rules that are absolutely essential to build a solid financial blueprint right after this. Let's start with education. When you think about education, what comes to your mind? Your school days, college days, right? I have a question for you. At what point in time did you exactly learn about money, wealth, business, life? Unfortunately, sadly, never. However, education just doesn't stop at school. You learn. You learn outside, you learn from the environment. And here's what you learn about wealth, and especially wealthy people. Wealthy people must have done something wrong. They must have taken some shortcut, and you can't remain ethical and amass so much wealth. Therefore, subconsciously, you're telling yourself that you know what, I don't want people out there to think like that about me. Therefore, let me not chase money. And then, in no time, you find yourself in the final year of your college. At this time, everyone is under pressure. You are under pressure, your peers are under pressure, your parents are under pressure, your college is under pressure because you got to get a good job. And your college arranges something called as a campus recruitment, and bang, you got your dream job, you got your dream package. Now there is a disconnect. You don't have the formal education, no one has taught you around money, and your mind is not tuned in the right way regarding wealth. Therefore you end up making some mistakes. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong in making mistakes and you will eventually succeed. However, here are 3 rules I wish I had learned while I was at school. Rule number 1, follow what is called as a less is more approach. Here, I would like to draw my inspiration from the late Steve Jobs. You see, his passion was to build some amazing products. And then to do that, he used to believe in 3 things: quality, design, and experience. And he approached all of this one step at a time. Results, some amazing products, and they just keep going on and on and on. So to be financially successful, you don't need to do 100 things. You don't need to master 100 things. You can just master 5 things and become very, very successful. Now, say for instance, you want to save 30% of your income every month. Now, get good at doing that. Next, you want to invest in stocks. Again, get good at doing that. Master it one step at a time. Now, when you start doing this one step at a time, you will actually start to believe that less is actually more. Rule number 2, build a system. Build your investment as if you're building your business. Now, a business is essentially built in 3 stages. Stage number 1 is the startup stage. At this stage, you're looking at keeping your business alive. So your focus remains on keeping maximum possible money in your bank account. Stage number 2 is the establishment stage. At this stage, you're looking at growing the turnover of your business, or in other words, you're looking at creating more and more income streams. Stage number 3 is the growth stage. At this stage, you're looking at bringing external funds and growing your team so that you can amplify your business. Therefore, look at building your system that can mirror the 3 stages, where at stage 1, you focus on liquidity. That is, you invest into assets that are liquidable in nature, where at a snap, you have access to your funds. At stage 2, you focus on income. That is, you invest into assets that give you regular passive income streams. At stage 3, this is where you introduce leverage. This is where you learn and master how you can amplify your money and invest so that you can expand your wealth. And now, time for the final rule. Rule number 3, your power team. Now, here's an exercise for you. Pick up your cell phone, go to your speed dial. Do you see your banker, lawyer, accountant, financial advisor among your frequently dialed contacts? If yes, either you're super successful or on your journey towards success. If no, I think it's time to take a pause and think. See, power team equals success, period. Invest your time and effort in building a good power team. Remember, you don't need to be a millionaire to have a power team. You need to develop a millionaire mindset. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Do share your comments below and remember to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.